Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace BMW 3 Series battery. Begin by removing the negative cable, then the positive and secure cables away from terminals. Keep a clean workspace and lay down a mat to avoid scratches. Check the replacement battery for matching cold cranking amps and terminal layout before installation. Use a torque wrench to tighten terminals to manufacturer specs and reconnect negative last to complete the job safely. In this video, I will show how to replace BMW 3 Series battery. Gather tools like a torque wrench, sockets, and a battery carrier to lift safely and avoid strain. Verify the new battery matches group size, terminal positions, and cold cranking amps for your model. Clean terminals and clamps, apply dielectric grease, and keep hardware organized during the swap. Work methodically to prevent mistakes and ensure reliable starting after installation. In this video, I will show how to replace BMW 3 Series battery. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They double as perfect small parts organizers and keep screws from rolling away. I use them when swapping car batteries to separate bolts and terminals, and they stack neatly in the trunk. If you want the link and other deals, check the description, and if this is helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace BMW 3 Series battery. Start by removing trim and the battery hold down, then lift the old battery straight out using a carrier. Place the new battery in position, attach the positive terminal first and torque to spec, then attach the negative terminal last. Reinstall any vent tubing and covers, and check vehicle systems like infotainment and windows for required resets before a final test drive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.